CBS Saturday mornings will never be the same.
Excellent.
Because now we've got the CBS Dream Team. Brandon McMillan, Lucky Dog, Layla Ali, all in.
Well, the result, simply spectacular.
Yvette Rios, Recipe Rehab, Kevin Frazier, Game Changers.
His mission is to help people everywhere.
Dr. Chris, Pet Vet.
I just can't see how it's possible.
And Chef Jamie Oliver's 15-minute meals. The CBS Dream Team. It's epic. All new weekends starting September 28th. Only CBS.
Mateys, you're watching CBS-2 HD.
CBS-2 HD.
You're watching CBS.
Get ready for Cookie Jar TV.
Hello, everyone.
With Busy Town Mysteries, Noon Boy and the Super 7, Sabrina the Animated Series, Strawberry Shortcake and the Doodle Pops Rock and Road Show.
He's going in the groove, adventures waiting just for you. I love this stuff, it's totally cool. Here we go.
Very exciting.
Rock it out.
Catch it weekends only on CBS. Visit CookieJarTV.com for more information and ask your parents before going online.
This is a test of the emergency.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Right back on
Cookie Jar TV.
Have you heard the sound? It's coming back around. Incredible.
Hey, girls, guess who's taller and shinier than ever?
Twinkle, twinkle toes. Everything sparkles and glows.
All the fun of Twinkle Toes, but with a wedge built right in that makes you taller.
You stand taller.
Sparkly new Twinkle Tall, only from Skechers.
Attention parents and grandparents of young children. Have you received this special notice from Gerber Life? If not, you're urged to call this toll-free number now because Gerber Life is accepting applications for their affordable grow-up plan. It's easy to help your child get off to a good financial start for just pennies a day. Free information will be sent to parents and grandparents who call now. Or you can apply right now over the phone if you'd like. The Grow Up Plan gives your child $10,000 in whole life insurance protection now, then doubles automatically to $20,000 later at no extra cost. Later on, your child can buy more, up to $100,000 in total protection, regardless of their health or job, 10 times the original amount. The Grow Up Plan also builds cash value over time that you can borrow from later. Help give your child a head start for just pennies a day. Don't wait. Call now for free information.
Call 1-800-309-4682. Help give your child the financial head start they deserve. Call now for your free information. Music is fun for everyone.
So bring the whole family to www.playmusic.org.
Time to make everywhere your dance floor with Bella Ballerinas from Skechers. Ballerina turn with your hands in the air. Now bring it down low with a twist right there. Spin around and double twist. Everyone can dance like this. Bella Ballerinas, the spinning dish shoes by Skechers.
CBS-2 HD, your weather when you need it most.
You're watching CBS.
And now for more fun and adventure on Cookie Jar TV.
If you have any requests for EAS Mocks, please comment down below and provide a link to an audio alert you want to see.